We know that the molar heat at constant volume for 1 mole of ideal gas is Cv equals to dq v upon dt. Now, from first law of thermodynamics, we know change in internal energy U equals to Q plus W, where Q is the amount of heat absorbed by the system and W is the work done on the system. We can write this as Q plus P delta V. Now, as the volume is constant, V is constant, so delta V will become 0. So this term will become QV equals 0 or QV. We can write this as QV equals to delta U or dQV equals to delta U. Now if this is equation 1, putting the value of dq into equation 1, we'll get Cv equals to du upon dt. This is equation 3. Similarly, the molar heat capacity at constant pressure for 1 mole of gas oil dq p upon dt. From the first law of thermodynamics, we again know that change in internal energy equals to Q plus W. Here the Q is at constant pressure, so Qp. W is W will become minus P delta V. Why is that? Because it will go expansion due to absorption of heat, since volume is not constant here, so it will undergoes expansion. We can write it as well Qp minus P into V2 minus V1. Now bringing this second term to left side, you get delta U plus P V2 minus V1 QP. We can write it as well U2 minus U1, and U2 plus PV2 will become U plus P V2. Okay, I'm just explaining it a bit more. U2 minus U1 plus P V2 minus V1 QP. So this U2 plus PV2 plus minus U1 plus PV1 equals to QP. This term is enthalpy. U plus PV is enthalpy, we all know. So this is H2 minus H1 equals to QP, or this will become delta H equals to QP. So from here we again know that dQP equals to dH. So putting the value in equation 4, we will get dqp by dt equals to cp. Cp equals to dh by dt. This is equation 5. Okay, now you already know that h is equal to u plus pv. This is equation 6, and pv is equal to RT for 1 mole of ideal gas. This is equation 7. Now derivating both this term with respect to T, you will get, with respect to T, you will get dH upon dt du upon dt plus du by dt pv, and this will become d by dt pv r. R constants will come out, so derivating t with respect to t, it will become 1. So this is equation 9. Now this is equation 9 and this is equation 10. So putting the value of d by dt pv equals to r into equation 9, we will get dh upon dt du upon dt plus r. Now we already know that dh upon dt is nothing but cp, and du upon dt is nothing but cv. So this will become cp minus cp is equal to cv plus r, or cp minus cv is equal to r. I hope everything is clear. If you want to know anything, if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section so that I can make it clear in the another session of the another session. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new here. I'm intend to teach chemistry for class 11 and class 12, both Bengali and English. So I'll expect from all of you to show your kindness by subscribing and liking my channel. Thanks all.